Listen closely, because this could be your moment of change. Maybe you've been stuck. Same job, same routine, same pain. And deep inside, you know you were meant for more. Maybe you're tired of pretending you're okay when you're not. Maybe you've been waiting for the right time. But the truth is, there is no right time. There's only now. Change doesn't wait for you to be ready. Change comes when your soul can't stay silent anymore. When you say, enough. Enough of being small. Enough of being afraid. Enough of waiting. Because the most powerful decision you can ever make in your life is the decision to change. Let's be honest. We all fear change. We fear losing control. We fear failure. We fear what people will say. We get comfortable with our pain because it's familiar. We say, at least I know this life. We forget that comfort zones are beautiful prisons, decorated nicely but locked tight. We convince ourselves that we'll change tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes, because every tomorrow becomes another today. The truth? Change is not the enemy. Staying the same when your soul is begging to grow. That's the real danger. You don't grow in comfort, you grow in challenge. And if your life isn't changing, it's because you're choosing not to move. Everything in life grows through change. The seed must break open to become a tree. The caterpillar must dissolve to become a butterfly. The night must end before the sun rises. Change looks painful when you're inside it, but beautiful when you look back. So when everything around you feels like it's falling apart, maybe it's not falling apart. Maybe it's falling into place. Every storm has a purpose. Every tear has a lesson. Every ending makes space for a new beginning. Change is not here to destroy you. It's here to show you who you really are. Change begins the moment you decide, not when you wish, not when you hope, not when someone saves you. It starts the moment you say, I'm done living small. I'm ready to grow. That decision alone shifts the universe around you. Doors begin to open. Energy begins to move. People come into your life who match your new vibration. Every transformation begins with a single brave decision. So ask yourself, what decision are you avoiding right now? What fear are you feeding instead of your dream? Because if you don't make your choices, life will make them for you. Let's be real. Change will cost you something. It will cost you your excuses. It will cost you your comfort. It might even cost you some people. But what you gain in return is freedom. You can't grow while holding on to what's killing your spirit. You can't reach your future while clinging to your past. If you want a new life, you must let the old one go. And yes, it hurts. But pain is temporary. Regret is forever. You can rebuild money. You can rebuild status. You can rebuild a dream. But you can't rebuild wasted time. So stop waiting for permission. Stop begging life to change for you. Change yourself, and life will follow. You can't think your way into a new life. You have to act your way into one. One step, one call, one decision. Change doesn't need a big plan. It needs small, consistent action. Because little changes done daily create massive transformation. Wake up earlier. Pray with intention. Read instead of scrolling. Move your body. Speak kindly. You don't have to move mountains today. Just take one small step in the right direction. Remember this, consistency beats intensity. A small action done daily will outperform a big dream done never. Here's the truth nobody likes to admit: change will hurt. It will challenge your habits. It will expose your weaknesses. It will stretch your patience. It will make you want to quit. But that pain is not punishment. It's progress. Do you know how gold is purified? It's placed in fire until the impurities melt away. That's what change does to you. It burns away the lies you believed about yourself. It removes the voices of doubt, the fear, the limitation. So when you feel uncomfortable, when everything feels uncertain, congratulations. It means you're growing. You can't build a new you while staying comfortable as the old one. When you change, not everyone will like it. Some people loved you small. They loved you broken. They loved you quiet because it made them comfortable. But when you rise, they'll say you've changed, and you'll smile and say, I was supposed to. Don't shrink yourself to fit old places. Don't dim your light to make others comfortable. You're not responsible for their comfort. You're responsible for your calling. Some people will leave. Let them. Some will misunderstand you. Let them. You're not changing for them. You're changing for you and for the purpose God placed inside you. There will be days when change feels impossible. Days when you pray and nothing happens. Days when you give everything and still feel stuck. That's when faith steps in. Faith is walking through the dark, believing light will appear. Faith is saying thank you before the blessing arrives. Faith is trusting the process even when you can't see the progress. Remember this, God doesn't change your life when it's easy. He changes it when it's time, and His timing is never wrong. Maybe He's not giving you what you want because He's preparing you for what you need. So keep walking, keep believing, keep doing your part. Because the moment you refuse to give up, the breakthrough begins. Change isn't just about doing, it's about becoming. You can change your job, your house, your city. But if you don't change your mindset, you'll repeat the same pain everywhere you go. True change starts inside. It starts when you decide to forgive yourself. When you release the guilt, the shame, the anger. When you finally say, I deserve peace. The new you isn't built by force. It's built by awareness. You stop reacting and start choosing. You stop blaming and start growing. You understand that every challenge was preparing you to evolve. The old you survived, but the new you will thrive, and then one day, you'll wake up different. The noise in your head will be quiet. The weight in your heart will be lighter. You'll look in the mirror and see someone stronger, someone free. You'll realize that the people who left, the plans that failed, the moments that broke you, were never meant to destroy you. They were meant to transform you. Change doesn't just give you a new life, it gives you a new vision. You start to see beauty in pain, lessons in loss, purpose in the past. You stop asking, why me? And start saying, thank you. And that's the ultimate power of change. It turns your suffering into strength, your weakness into wisdom, and your fear into faith. So now it's your turn. Look at your life. Look at what you've been accepting. Look at what you've been avoiding and say, enough. Enough of waiting. Enough of fear. Enough of small dreams. Today, not tomorrow, today, decide to change. Change the way you talk to yourself. Change how you spend your time. Change what you believe is possible. Because the power of change is already inside you. It's been there all along. It doesn't come from luck. It doesn't come from money. It comes from one decision. Your decision. Every great story begins the same way. Someone finally got tired of the old version of themselves and said, I'm done. I'm ready for more. Let that be you. Be the person who changes their life, who breaks the cycle, who inspires others. Because when you change, everything around you changes. Your mindset, your relationships, your health, your future. Change the inside and the outside will follow. So wherever you are right now, in your car, in your room, at work, or walking alone. Take a deep breath. You are not stuck. You are not broken. You are not late. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. Standing on the edge of transformation. This is your turning point. This is your beginning. This is the power of change. Repeat after me. I have the power to change my life. I am ready to grow. I am ready to rise, because you are not waiting for change. You are the change. Now go. The world is waiting for the new you.